In question number 5, Sada is being fired out of a cannon over Niagara Falls. Her velocity is 24.3 meters per second, and I shoot her at an angle of 36.9 degrees, which means, of course, she's going both sideways and up. She soars majestically through the air for 11.7 seconds, that's our time, before diving gracefully into the pool at the bottom of the end of the falls. So, of course, she's going to fly in this lovely parabolic trajectory, and she's going to crash down in the water down here. So, in part A, we want to know, how far did she travel horizontally? Well, how far she traveled horizontally, dH is equal to VH times T. Well, I know the T is 11.7. I don't know what the VH is, but I can find the VH over here. VH is the adjacent side to that angle. So if I do adjacent, I want to use cosine of 36.9 times the 24.3. So if I do that, remembering I have to be in degrees, so that gives me 19.4. So that's what we're missing up here, was 19.4. So if I take the 19.4 times the 11.7, I find that she traveled 227 meters that way. Now, the second question, part B, was how tall are the falls? Well, how tall are the falls are going to be the dV, because vertically she may go up higher than this. She went up and down, but the D stands for displacement, that distance. So all I have to do is find the dV equation. Well, of course, it's not labeled as the dV equation. It's just the D equals AT squared over 2 plus VIT. Now, the A, of course, in this situation is gravity. So this is just going to be negative 9.81. It has to be negative. But what is the VI? Well, the VI is what we find right here. So we're going to find the VI from sine. So we'll do this on the next page. So again, if we were here, and my numbers again were 24.3, and this was 36.9. If we're looking for the VI, now we're looking at the opposite side compared to the angle. So here we're going to use the sine of 36.9 times 24.3. Sine 36.9, 24.3. That gives me 14.59. So again, we're going to plug into the D equals AT squared over 2 plus VIT. And so my A is negative 9.81. The T was given as 11.7 over 2 plus 14.59 times 11.7. And when we do this, we're going to end up with a negative 501 meters. Well, the negative tells me I am 501 meters lower than when I started, so this would be the height of the falls.